Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 1B, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card and also SD card into this device. Now, this is a toolless process, so we don't need any kind of SIM eject tool. All you just need to have is a strong fingernail, because you'll need to pry off the casing of the device, which you can do by finding this little notch right here that is at the bottom right side of the device, and just get it down. You will see that the case pops out. From there you can just go around. There we go. And you can see that the case will come off. Now inside you will have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. So for the SIM cards, just grab it and place it the way that it shows you right here on the image. So just to kind of showcase, you can see that the cutout is on the top right side. So same way, SIM card. There we go. Slide it in there. Make sure that it's all the way, and that's it. Now for the SD card, you just put it right here. I don't have one on hand to actually do this right now with, so all you do is just also swap it in here the same way you did with the SIM. Though keep in mind, the SD card wouldn't actually go all the way. I believe it will go somewhere like up to here. So it's just the very beginning of the SIM card that kind of goes in there. Anyway, once both of the cards are in there, you can close the device, and either the cards will be working right away, or you will need to reboot the device. So to check that, I'm going to navigate to settings, SIM card and mobile network, and we can see SIM card settings, and it is detecting it right away. Though I don't have any receptions because the card that I have inserted is actually deactivated already, so it will never connect to anything. But you can see it right here. It is being detected by the device itself. And same thing would go for the SD card. Once you plop it in there, no extra steps needed, the card will start working automatically. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.